Unboxing the Mantis Q40 from APH.
Today we're going to be unboxing the APH Mantis. This is the full-size 40-cell braille display that we carry here to the CAT team in APH. Carries in the catalog. So you can open the box. In the box we find this cover when you open it up, and behind this cover is all your braille documentation. And then here we have the actual Mantis. Let's kick this out of this packaging. It's in like a plastic bag with no zip or anything, just a standard plastic bag. You know, we have the bare APH Mantis. So this has no case on it or anything. We're going to set this aside over here. Now down here, inside the box, we have another plastic lining. And in the center, sunk it in, is a cardboard rectangular box. So you can grab it kind of from the middle. There's cutouts on the top and the bottom, so you grab it with your fingers, pick it up. And then in here, in this box is your cables and the charger. We open that up from the front, pull it open. And then in there is your charger that has a little twist tie, then box. And then we have a charging brick that's inside of a plastic wrap. Also no zip or anything. Take that out. Set this box back in here just for friendliness, and then we're going to pick up the whole insert. And what's underneath the insert is your Mantis case. Pick that up. Let's keep that box around in case we gotta ship this back for any reasons. Alright, so now we're going to take this Mantis. If we study the Mantis and orientate ourselves, on the left-hand side we have the on-off button. On the right-hand side we have nothing but a speaker. And in the front, we have our thumb keys and our home button. So my first instinct is to get the buttons in a position where they're not going to be pressed the entire time. We're trying to find with this case. So I usually go in left side first, line up the corners. Even on the right side, you can just kind of start with the top and press in. And we pull the bottom right, press fanny. Now you just press the edge of your palm down, press in, you hear that snap. And that's it. Now you have your ports lined up right here, and you have your thumb keys lined up. So that's how you know you did it right. If your thumb keys are not showing in the front, it's because you have this backwards. We'll take our charging brick. We will untie our twist tie. And on this, we just wobble this and USB-C.
Well, let's see that USB-C here.
There you go.
Okay.
Yes, you see, so that goes into the device right up here. Make sure it fits, and then just to be sure that everything's working all right, we'll just make sure this fits into here. And everything's looking good. You can take off the outside sticker stuff that's on the outside right here, or leave it on. Up to you. That's it.
The CAT program is funded by a federal appropriation and works in partnership with the American Printing House for the Blind and Alabama Institute for the Deaf and Blind. Logos: APH, AIDB, and WSSB.
CATT, Center for Assistive Technology Training Northwest.